Alright, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Neil Gavin. I'm a registered nurse and I do have a degree in medical surgical nursing. I create nursing educational videos to help nursing students and nursing professionals like you who's watching right now with their studies. If that is something that you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you will be the very first to watch my newest uploads. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends because that will really help me know that you like to see more contents like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video, nurses. Ayan nga, welcome nga sa ating panibagong playlist dito sa ating cheat sheet. Nursing Study Guide, Ultimate Guide to your Medical Nursing Abbreviations and Acronyms. Ngayon, kung hindi mo pa napapanood yung other videos natin na nakalagay dito sa playlist na to, where I create short and quick videos for your study to help you with your study material. Panoorin mo yon, ilalagay ko yung link sa description box or kapag nagpop out yung icon button, just click the one out. And because I'll be putting it there together with the other playlist I have on my channel. Ngayon, gusto ko nga magpasalamat sa inyo kasi 16,000 na tayo, you guys. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy na paniniwala at pagsuporta nyo sa channel ko. You guys are amazing. Let's make it to 20k, alright? Now, hindi ko na patatagalin pa. Bakit maingay? Ano ba yun? So let me define to you what is abbreviations and acronyms. When you talk about abbreviations, this is a shortened forms of written words or phrases used in a place of a whole. Example nga po dito, yung vol for volume and VOL. Ang acronyms nyo naman are words formed from the initial letter of each of the successive parts of major parts of a compound term. One good example, WBC, white blood count, CBC for complete blood count. Medical abbreviations were made to quickly but accurately document things. Now, here are the list of the medical terminologies that you should know. Handa ka na ba? Eto na. What is that background? I do not understand. All right. C. Small letter C. Which means with. With. Once again, that's small letter C, which stands for with. Next, you have capital C, A. CA. This means cancer. Cancer. Again, that's capital C, A, which means cancer. You have cath. Capital C, A-T-H. Period. This stands for catheter. Catheter. Once again, that's cath. That stands for catheter. Next, CBC. CBC, which stands for complete blood count. Complete blood count. Next one you have CC. Two ways to write this. You can write it CC or C period C. This means cubic centimeter. Cubic centimeter. Once again, that's CC for cubic centimeter. Next one you have CCU. CCU. There's two ways you can write this. CCU, all capital letters, or capital C, period, capital C, period, U. This means cardiac care unit or coronary care unit. Once again, that's CCU for cardiac care unit or coronary care unit. Next is CBR. CBR. Bakit may nag-text? CBR. That stands for complete bed rest. Complete bed rest. Once again, that's CBR, complete bed rest. Next one you have C/O. C/O. You can write it all capital letters or all small letters. It means complaint of. Complaint of. Once again, that's C/O, which means complaint of. Next one, very familiar, CO2. CO2. This stands for carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Once again, that's CO2 for carbon dioxide. You have CS. CS. There's 3 different ways on how are you going to write it or see it. Capital C and capital S, or capital C period, capital S period, or small letter C period, small letter S. This means central supply. Central supply. Once again, that is CS. That stands for central supply. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. Hope you like this one. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more nursing educational videos. Let me know if you have other nursing topics that you want us to do. Comment it down below. Abangan nyo nga po yung next video natin regarding sa nursing education after 2 days, because I actually upload 2 videos per week. Make sure that you don't miss out any of my uploads. Subscribe now to hit that notification bell. Maraming salamat nga po sa pagsuporta nyo. Nakikita ko po lahat kayo na nagko-comment. Hindi ko man kayo nare-replyan lahat. Hino-heart ko yan at nababasa ko yung mga comment nyo sa description box ay sa comment section. Maraming salamat po. Tulungan nyo na nga po ako, ipamalitan nyo na sa Radyong Sira ang pinakabago, pinaka-fresh at ang pinaka-libreng nursing review center sa balat ng YouTube. Don't forget to follow me on all my other social media accounts. Everything is at Neil Galve except for my TikTok account, which is Neil Galve Official. I would also like to invite you to please like, share, and follow my Facebook page because I'm also uploading there. Alright, so I'll see you again next time. You have a good one.